Hi guys, in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to get the upgraded Titan Saw. First, turn into Saw Women. When you turn into Saw Women, follow where I go. It will teleport you to the Sawblade base. We need batteries to power up the Titan Sawblade man. First battery behind lemonade stand. Second battery near these trucks. For the third battery, you need to do some parkour. Follow my steps if needed. For the fourth battery, we need a saw to break a box. Go over here. For the fifth one, grab the key and open this cabinet. Put all the batteries inside of this. I got the badge, but it will say in the bottom the badge. Bye y'all.